So, I mean, we have ICH GCP and the revision of R2, which clearly defines the role of the sponsor. And and you have to comply as a sponsor with the duties. You have to oversee the clinical trial. You have to prove that you oversee the clinical trial. You have to have the finances when you start your clinical trial. You cannot make a full contract, for example, when you don't have the full amount of money. You can go for part contracts. And so you have to make sure that the protocol is in adherence with the disease, with the indication. So there's a lot of roles. The quality management is a big issue. Of course, as a sponsor, you have to ensure that your quality management systems is in place for the whole activities around drug development. Yeah, why do you have to do this? Of course, to guarantee the safety of the patients, but also to be at any time inspection ready. You might not have an inspection when it comes to your first in-human study, but at latest at phase 2, inspections could come up, and they will look really at the details, how you did your oversight, your planning, your vendor selection, how did you validate your vendors, how did you qualify your vendors. I mean, these are all the activities you have to ensure in a proper way. And the good thing is FDA and EMA, they publish inspection reports, which is very interesting if you want to learn what to avoid. And that's also these inspection reports, they always lead to changes in regulations, to adapting regulations. That was one of the reasons why ICH was also revised, because more and more technology became important in clinical trials. That means also for a sponsor to ensure that all the vendors providing the technology have validated systems, revalidated systems. And these were findings from inspections, which then led to a change in ICH GCP.